Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, doing my best to social distance and use my face shields and guards. What I want to talk to you today about is DIY, do-it-yourself home repair. Maybe this is a good time for you to go out there and figure out, hey, maybe I can or can't repair my own appliance. Well, being that what's going on out there, maybe you don't want someone to come in your house, maybe you don't trust someone to come in the house, maybe it is time for you to go out and do it yourself. There's lots of videos out there, there's a lot of instructional YouTube videos on how to fix things. This is something you should want to think about. Like I said, we've got their parts stores that sell parts for your appliances. Feel free to, you can call them up and talk to them. I would recommend going and physically getting them yourself as opposed to going online and getting a hopefully new part. Okay, there are people out there who do not sell new parts and they pretend they're new parts, which means you got more problems than you wanted to worry about. I wouldn't do that. I would physically go to a place that sells appliance parts and get the parts from them. But this is a good time to, hey, experiment with it, try it. You may find out you like it and you can do it. Then again, you may find out that, no, I don't think I'm going to ever do this myself again, which is good to know also, so when you do have another problem, you know who to call. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.